Hi, this is Classic Techart and welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer screen, this is a letter logo design. This is U shape letter logo design. This is a fantastic and very simple logo design. So now I'm gonna talk. I will start from the beginning. So let's start today. So first of all, I needed to little bit smaller over here, and I needed to keep counter side. And what do we need? We need to do just go to the over here and just rectangle tool, and by this way, just I needed to like that. Okay, I need to change the color. I need it. Okay, so I need bigger, little bit. Yes, I need to go over here and a little bit bigger. See how magic happen in this way. So right now I just over here and I just go to the direct selection. See, to my skin, go and like that. See, I need to now go to the over here again, go to the rectangle and it just over here. I think it's good. And I need now just and I need now none to the stroke. Okay, so fantastic. So I need it now just to select all the things and go to the expand. OK, and go to the builder tool by selecting all the things. OK, cut. OK, cut. See how it's happening. This is all magic. So first of all, over here, just direct selection. Let's select all the things and go over here by shifting shift key and like that, and now just like that, drag over here. You see the shape already done. So what we need to do, again, go to the this dashboard and just select the ellipse tool. No, first of all I needed to select this one and go over here, and I needed to a little bit bigger the stroke color, a little bit bigger there, and go again over here. Just put to the center, and by pressing key and over key just like that, I think that's fine. Okay, so I just put to the center over here like that. Okay, see, more unsure about it. I just to like that. I need over here a little bit down, a bit down, and this. Okay, a little bit, a bit, upper side. I think okay. So a little bit down, a little bit down, like that. Right side. Thing it's good. A little bit downside, a little bit downside. I think it more better. Yes, I think that's fine. And I need again go Control Y, Control plus Y. Okay. So right now, just select all the things, go shape builder tool and cut all the things, cut things, and go over here. See, already done. I select all the things and change the color just for unsure this thing, and I need it now just to none, and it's happened. Okay. What happened is the ungroup. When it ungroup all the things, it's okay. I think delete one necessary things. I need to go to the just I drop a tool, and for here you see how it's happening, and go again. I drop a tool. See how it's possible. It's a magic, total magic, and it's taking just a little bit time. See, with this one and that one, no difference. So I delete things, and I let a little bigger over here. See, this is a fantastic design, and very simple and very colorful. So, dear guys and friends, no more tag right now is completely entirely good, and thanks for watching.